Hello friends, good morning. This is transformer tester made by UC and model number is UC2859XB, and this is test fixture to test the transformer. I will use this transformer and the model or the name of this transformer is PQ3230 and the model of this fixture is UC6806 test fixture, and this is PCB for fixing the leg of this transformer. Now I am setting the leg of this transformer in this PCB, and we are using the pneumatic for pressing the PCB for testing purpose. Now we are starting this transformer tester. Now I will select the program for this transformer, and the name of this transformer is PQ3230. From here, load, yes, and the setting for this transformer is following like this. This is transformer ID PQ3230. FR test, we are using FR test for we can change the legs 3 to 6, 1 to 6 or 6 to 12, vice versa. And this transformer tester will test the transformer twice. Secondary pins, secondary winding are 2. Scan deep mode data only, it will show the data what is the testing values of this transformer. Deviation, we are keeping on this cylinder power because of we have to on this PCB using this pneumatic, so we have to on this cylinder power. Next, this transformer is 12 pin transformer, 1 to 6 and 6 to 12, and the fixture is like this. So we have to fix it like this, okay, and we have to set the pins number, 12 pin number, and we have to keep the pin number 1 on pin number 3 of the fixture or PCB, okay. And this is the transformer pin setting. Primary winding 1 to 3, fixture 3 to 5, secondary winding 1, 6 to 5, 8 to 7, secondary 2, 9 to 10 and 15 to 16. Next setting, we are testing this transformer on 1 kHz and the voltage level is 1 volt. And the sequence of testing the parameter is like this: leakage and inductance, then turns, and after that DCR. Next, these are the values for this transformer. Primary winding turn 22, secondary 5 and secondary 12. These are the inductance values, and this is leakage inductance test setting. Maximum should be 13 micro Henry, and we have to short these pins. Leakage pin are primary winding 1 to 3, and after all pins we have to short. These are DCR limit, standard and maximum. This is mesh. Now we can test this transformer. Now I would like to give the trigger for testing the transformer. Piece is okay and the values are these.